Hello everyone, another exciting video presented to you by your friend Anurag on the Edutrainex PTE Learning channel, the pioneer in PTE training. There are some PTE tasks which scare the students, and these are really challenging ones. These include writing questions like summarize written text and write essay, the speaking task, describe image and retell lecture, and one listening task which is summarize spoken text. People really struggle to get a decent score in writing and speaking sections of the PTE because they don't know how to approach these questions in an easy way. Well, don't be surprised when I tell you that there is a simple and efficient way to crack these questions and at the same time get a good score. For each of these questions, our PTE experts have prepared several templates, and these templates have been tested in the real PTE exams. Our students are actively using them, and many of them have taken their PTE test recently, got a very solid score for these tasks. See the comment from one of our viewers who actually used these recently and got a 90 score in writing. We offer not just one, but several templates and structures for each of these tasks that give you the freedom in selecting whichever template suits your needs. For example, if you have a good command in English, you can use our structure to get to a 90 score. But if you are someone who doesn't have good command in English, you can choose one of our ready-made templates with minimal efforts and still manage to get a decent score. But in the end, you need to be the judge of yourself and decide which one is the best for your needs. If you are wondering why our structures and templates work, the answer is very simple. For each of the writing and speaking tasks, PTE has specified specific scoring criteria, which is also called as the official scoring guide. Firstly, our templates make sure that each of these marking criteria are fulfilled. For example, coherence, written discourse, and logical transition. All these are taken care of in our PTE templates. If you want to learn them in detail about these tasks, I have added the link for the complete strategy videos of each of these tasks in the description for your reference. In the end, I just want to say that for writing tasks, you need to make sure that while using our templates, you don't make any grammatical or spelling mistakes. And for speaking tasks, use our templates, but you still need to speak clearly and fluently. As long as you can do these, there is no one who can stop you to get to a high score using these templates and structure. Feel free to comment below for any questions that you may still have on PTE topics. Also, like and subscribe to continue receiving updates on the latest videos we publish. Good luck.